Hello students, today we will continue in the next part of advertisement and we will start with to let. So advertisement related to let. To let means to give on rent. To give on rent. If you are going to give your house on rent, a floor of your house on rent, a flat on rent, a particular building on rent, then you will have to take the title as to let. And if you want to take a particular house on rent, then your title should be accommodation wanted to take on rent. So what are the essential details we should discuss about them? Begin with available or wanted. If it is available, you are going to give on rent, then you will start with available. Or if accommodation wanted, then you will start with wanted, a house available, a house in to let. Next, state the type of accommodation. What type of accommodation you want to give on rent or to let, or what type of house you want or required on rent, that should be mentioned. Next, give brief description of the accommodation, size, floor, number of rooms, etc. Next, you will have to tell about the fixtures and fitting. What type of furniture, what type of fixture is there related to electricity or water fitting, or everything is furnished or not. These things should be discussed. Next, location and surrounding. In what type of location, that is in posh area, near to bus stand, near to mall, near to railway station, near to taxi stand, such type of things should be also included. Next, rent expected or offered. When you are going for to let, you will have to write rent expected, and when you are going for wanted accommodation, then you will add rent offered. And at last, in every ad, that is address with phone number. So now we will take an example. You want to let out a flat. Suppose you have a flat and you want to let it out. If in question it is asked that you want to let out, it means the question is for to let. Prepare an advertisement to this effect for publication in a newspaper. So you will have to prepare an advertisement. So your title will be to let. You will start with available, available on rent, or available MIG flat, because in question only flat was given, so only flat should be used instead of flats. Second floor, 2 BHK, it means bedroom, 2 bedroom, hall, kitchen, and they are also attached bath. You can also write that. Having balcony, fully furnished, that is related to fitting and fixture, well ventilated, 24 hours electricity and water supply you can mention while you are going to give on rent. And also walking distance from main market and taxi stand, this type of things could be included. Also write the rent expected, that's the most important. Either write fixed or negotiable. So you can write in this particular we have written rupees 5,000 fixed. Company lease preferred, that there should be also a lease. Lease is a contract, that should be there. Usually contracts are made on basis of 11 months, a particular lease and onwards. So also you will have to add the contact name and phone number. You can also add the address. Now the next type is related to educational institutions. When any institution related to education, they give any ad for classified, then what we should write? Normally we will write educational is the title, only educational, like that. And what should be the details, features that should be included, like the name of institution. You will have to give the name of that particular institute. After that, course offered and duration. Normally these type of ads are asked that what this particular institute wants to give an ad to give their ad for the course during that time. So you will have to add the course offered and duration, and after that specify eligibility condition. What are the eligibility condition for that particular course? What are the facilities available, faculty and other facilities available? Last date of registration, that what is the last date of application or registration, and at last contact and address. So these things should be included when you are going for education. Next, we are taking a question, an example for that. You are the secretary of the Indian Institute of Foreign Languages, that is IIFL, Hyderabad. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published for a local daily. So you are going to create such an ad. So your title will be educational, and after that you will start like name of the company, IIFL, that is Indian Institute of Foreign Languages, announces the commencement. Here we have used the abbreviation of this. So even the common abbreviations could be used in advertisements, like this. These could also like and between. They could also be used, or even such type of abbreviations which give the short form, like this we have used. So IIFL announces the commencement, that they announce, they declares the commencement or the starting of its short-term courses in French, that they are going to start. That should be the sentence, but because in advertisement we should not use full sentences, that's why it has been used. IIFL announces the commencement of its short-term courses in French, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, etc. Duration, that is 6 months. Eligibility, that's +2. So you will have to include the duration, eligibility condition, that those who can apply, they must qualify +2. Also you can write +2 with 60%, 70%. Excellent faculty with high experience, you can tell about the different type of facilities they are getting. They will get computerized training, that the training will be computerized based. 10% seats free for 90% and above in +2. So there is also scholarship. Those who have got 95% and above, they can even get some scholarship, that is free seats. 10% seats are free there. And after that, how to apply, that is send your application by 1st May or whatever the date that is to be, that must be 10 or 15 days ahead of the advertisement's date. And after that, contact the secretary and mobile number should be given. So we'll continue with the next, and next type is of lost and found. In lost and found, we should begin with lost and found, either with lost and found. So your title will be lost and found, that will be title. After that, specify the item, that which item is lost or which item you have found. Give the brief physical description about the item. You will have to tell the color or the name of company of that particular item. So physical description should be mentioned. Also mention that when and where it was lost, and the most important is reward, if any. And this is the type of advertisement where sometime a sentence or two sentences are also used instead of idioms and phrases. So you must also remember that a treat is promised, a good reward will be given to those who to the finder. So such type of sentences are also used in this type of advertisement. And with contact, that is address with phone number. So we are taking an example, like the question is, you have lost your purse. Draft an advertisement table to be given in a local daily or a local newspaper. So the title will be lost and found. You will start with lost or found. If you have lost, you will start with the lost, and if you have found, then you will start with found. So you must remember, for lost you will have to start with lost, and for found you will start from found. So you will start like lost black leather purse, because it was a purse, so you will have to mention black and you will have to mention leather. So these are the physical description. Where you have lost, in DTC bus route number 38, while traveling between Lucknow Road and Red Fort. So these should be mentioned, that where you were traveling and from where that was lost. Next, what was inside that, you can also mention, like beside cash. So there was cash, don't mention that how much cash there, that was. It contains some important bills and receipts and ATM card. So you will have to mention what was inside it, but you will not write that there those things were in that. You will see that it contains, it has, such type of sentence will should be used. And you can also write finder will be stably rewarded, that a reward is promised for the finder, and please contact Mr. Anil, and also mobile number. So you will have to write all these contents for lost and found. Next type is missing person, pet animal. Sometime a question is asked instead of lost and found related to missing a person, a kid, you can say, mostly not about person, but it is about kid, and also a pet animals, pet animal. So how to start? The common details are begin with missing. So title will be, if it is person, you will write missing a person. If it is a kid, missing kid. Or if it is animal, you will write missing a pet animal, missing a pet dog, missing a pet cat, like that. So title will be like that. And you when you are going to write content, you will also start with the missing since or that date, like that. Next one, give brief physical description. Once again, physical description like we have discussed in the lost and spring. After that, for person especially, name, age, and also identifying features. They could also be for both, that is pet animal and person. Also write a since, when, and from where missing the person or pet, and also reward like the lost and found, and at last contact with phone number. What is specific things that that is different in person and different in pet? That is height, complexion, build, and clothes. You must explain in person. What is his height? What is age? We have in both conditions. Complexion is related to color. किसी आदमी का रंग बताना है, that is fair complexion, कि उसका बिल्कुल गोरा कलर है. You are saying that his complexion, it means he has गेहुआ कलर, and dark complexion, सांवला color. So you will have to explain the complexion, and also build quality, how strong he is, weak, like that, and also mention the clothes, what he was wearing when he lost. In pet, you will have to tell the breed, किस प्रकार की उसकी breed है, color कैसा है, color of fur or skin, you will have to mention. So we are taking an example. Your nephew, a kid of 5, has got lost. आपका जो भतीजा है of only 5 years, he had got lost. Giving full details of the missing kid, draft an advertisement for a newspaper. So you will have to draft an advertisement. So you will write missing kid or missing a kid. So we will start missing since Monday afternoon, a kid of 5 years. Height 85 centimeters, British complexion, and birthmark blue right ear. It means there is also a mark where that is identifying mark, you can say, blue right ear, जो दायां कान है उसके नीचे. Wearing white shirt, grey trouser, and brown shoes. It means when he was lost, he was wearing all these type of dress, wearing white shirt, grey trouser, and brown shoes. And next, the reward. Anyone giving his whereabout will be rewarded stably. So you will have to write like that. And at last, contact Mr. That on mobile number. In these cases, sometimes the contact numbers of police, they should also be included. Nearby police station. Next question related to pet. Suppose your pet dog Sebi, name of the pet, is missing. Write an advertisement for the same for a newspaper. So you will write missing pet, missing a dark brown male Labrador, that is the breed of the particular pet dog. Height, that is 20-inch high, since last Friday. So since last Friday, this dog has been lost. Sebi. Now you are telling that his name is Sebi. Sebi is 2 years old and has white and fur, or you can say white in color, and that has not been mentioned. a strap of black leather and also a strap means patta that he is wearing around his neck. So a strap of a black leather also there around his neck. Informer will be rewarded stably, so that should be mentioned, and after that contact also you can add the contact number of police station of the nearby area. So these are the advertisements. We will continue in the next part.